Peace and love, everybody. This is your boy Colo again with another video. I got another gift, this time from Halo Sneakers. But before I get started, I wanted to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to the channel, thumbs up in the videos, and continuing to grow with me as I make this type of content. I appreciate all the love on my last video that I made about sponsorships. So much love to everybody. Couldn't do it without you. So let's go ahead and get into today's product. As I mentioned before, this is a gift. I do not condone the resale or selling of any type of replica sneakers. This is just a gift. It's for educational purposes 100%. So again, shout out to Halo Sneakers for gifting me this product for a review. Now, just so you know, my audio is going to be a little off today because I'm using Apple AirBuds, not AirPods, the regular headset that you get when you buy an iPhone. So just kind of bear with me on this one. The audio won't be as crispy and clear. I apologize for that, but we got to do what we got to do. I'm not in my normal setting, but anyways, so I got these from Halo Sneakers, and I was very skeptical to get a pair of Chunky Dunkies from anybody at this time due to the fact that I didn't think they would be ready. So moving along, we have the typical rainbow box that they're releasing SBs with lately. I do like this box. I did not get the special box, and I've been told that shipping that special big ice cream looking box is going to cost a lot of money just to ship. Then you're running the risk of that box getting damaged. So that's just one thing to take in consideration. To me, I really don't need the box. It'd be nice to have, but it's not a necessity. Why? Because we don't wear the box, we wear the shoes. So I'm looking at some type of authenticity from, I don't know if that's officially from Nike or how they put that together. I just know that this was in the box. So I'm not sure about that actually. Let's go ahead and give it a scan and see what we get. And I don't know if that's what you're supposed to get, but that's what I got. They also were nice enough to gift me some Adidas socks with a pair of Chunky Dunkies. That's a very interesting compliment, but I appreciate it nonetheless. The socks do look a little suspect as far as the quality, so I'm really not sure where these are coming from. I don't know, but nonetheless, I do appreciate it. I like Adidas socks. They just look a little weird, but hey, much love. So it seems like shipping took a couple of weeks, but let's go ahead and take a look at these a little closer. The box got destroyed, by the way, so, but again, that doesn't matter. And as you can see, bless your heart, Halo Sneakers, but you did send me the wrong size. They sent me a US size 11, which I definitely can't wear. 10s are the biggest that I go, so an 11 is not going to fit me. I will definitely be doing a giveaway for these shoes, and if you watch my IG lives on Sunday, I showed the shoe and I talked about this in depth. So giveaways coming up. I'm gonna figure out how to give these away, but these are definitely going away. I am not going to un-DS them, but I will try to do some type of on feet segment a little later. But let's dive into the sneaker and look at them a little closer. So taking a look at these things are pretty crazy. And what I mean by crazy, there's a lot of details that go into the shoe. You have the Nike on the back, and I'm going to try to keep it as slow as I can. Then you have some clouds that are from the Ben & Jerry ice cream containers on the back as well. I was told that every pair of Chunky Dunkies do not have the same cow pattern on them. So that's a good look at the back. It feels like the Jordan 3 Instinct as far as the hair that's on them. That has to be some type of faux calf skin or something like that. I don't think that's real hair. It feels really kind of freaky, but it's hard to say. I don't know. I also don't know how this pair stacks up against a retail pair. I took a big fat L on the sneakers app and also at my local skateboard shop here in Colorado. I did not get them, so this is the best I can do for now. I'm also going to be getting 3 more pairs of Chunky Dunkies from other sellers that are going to be giving me gifts. So I'm not purchasing any of them. They're just kind of giving me away for a visual review. But go ahead and look at some of the details here. That feels like a very non-tumbled, I don't know what you call that leather that has the green and the blue sky on it. That's pretty much standard leather there. I don't think they're supposed to have like a supple leather touch to them at all. Looking around the toe box there, you can kind of see how they line up. I think the toe box looks okay to me, but again, I have nothing to compare these two. You got some Nike tags on them. But just kind of look at the texture of the fur, or whatever you want to call it. If you do have a pair, please let me know in the comments if this pair is close. You've got the deeper forest green on the bottom, and then you got the lime green on the bottom to match. I think the color scheme is amazing on this shoe. This was an awesome idea. I think it was executed very well. So shout out to Halo Sneakers for getting me a pair of these. Let's take a look at the toe box. Again, there's not going to be any supple leather found on this pair. It's just very basic smooth leather. There's nothing wrong with smooth leather as well. A lot of the older Jordan 1s and Dunks from way back in the day, they were made from this type of leather. But it also feels like a leather I've never felt before, almost a little rubbery. Here's a look at the tongue. I think that was executed very well as far as the script of how the Chunky Dunky's laid out there. It looks pretty good to me. I really wish I could just rock this pair, but you know, it is what it is. Here's a quick look behind the tongue. That label looks pretty good to me. I think it's a very nice touch. Let's go ahead and pull out the inner sole. That tie-dye looking sole is awesome as well. That's kind of how they were constructed if you saw that, but we've got an air zoom on the heel for impact protection if you're going to be thrashing and skateboarding these. This is one of my favorite parts of the sneakers, the insole. SBs have always been very good at making, you know, unique looking insoles and that match the theme of the sneaker. You got a golden pair of laces and a forest greenish looking pair of laces as well. I'm not going to do any lace swaps because I'm not going to be keeping these shoes too long, so I'm not going to try to dig into them that much. So that's pretty much on the fine details in the observatory room. I'm going to try to do a on-feet segment somehow here in a few moments. But you know, it is what it is. Again, I'll be giving these away. So let's go outside and see what we can do for an on-feet. Okay, here we are at the on feet, and obviously, like I stated before, I can't fit them. They are size 11, so I can't tell you if they run true to size. I just know that they look really good. They're really colorful. You probably want to stick to maybe darker pants when wearing these. I'm not really sure, but I will be getting 3 more pairs of these coming down the line, so hopefully one of those 3 pairs will be in my size. I'll be doing a giveaway for this pair, so I did not crease them. I didn't compromise the integrity of the shoe. So just keep that in mind for the giveaway. I only wore them on top of this piece of cardboard, so they wouldn't even get any dirt on them. So again, shout out to Halo Sneaker for gifting me this pair of sneakers to show you guys what it looked like. I appreciate you stopping by the channel as always. Peace and love. I love you guys. Just make sure that you tune into the next video. There's more coming. If you do have any questions about the sneaker, feel free to reach out to me on IG. That's where I do all of the corresponding with you guys. Again, I really wish this pair did come in my size, which is a size 10 in Dunks, but Halo said if the video goes well, that they will send me another pair that will fit. So you guys, you gotta hook me up on this one. Give me a thumbs up, watch it in full, share it out if you can. But that's it. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.